Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Callum Moves, the home to reviews, how-tos, tips and tricks, and documenting my fitness journey. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you, a product that's changed the way I start my mornings. It's the DIRTEA Matcha Starter Kit. If you've been wanting to bring some zen into your routine, boost your energy, and just feel good, this kit has got everything that you need to make the perfect cup of matcha at home. I was convinced to buy the starter kit having got an Instagram advert. DIRTEA's matcha is 100% pure ceremonial grade Japanese matcha, and it's infused with brain boosting lion's mane and hydrating tremella mushroom extracts. This balance is great. It's a velvety blend providing steady energy and calm focus. DIRTEA's matcha is fortified with an organic B vitamin complex, which helps to support the nervous system, boost energy levels, and enhance hair, skin, and nails. You get 180 grams in the packet that you buy, and that's roughly 30 servings with a 6-gram serving size. So let's take a look inside. In this beautiful kit, you get the 100% pure ceremonial grade Japanese matcha that has the lion's mane and tremella mushroom extracts in. You also get this great storage container, which is made of glass and has some weight to it. A measuring spoon, which gives you exactly the 6 grams you need for your matcha. A stainless steel insulated cup and lid. An electric whisk for making your matcha. And then the matcha itself. I love how this kit comes with everything you need, especially if you're new to matcha. The whisk is essential for creating that signature frothy texture, and the scoop measures out just the right amount of matcha powder, so there's no guesswork. I also purchased some of these cordyceps gummies that are proven to help reduce fatigue, maintain vitality, and bolster endurance naturally throughout the day. Now let's get to the fun part, making a cup of matcha. I'm going to be making an iced matcha with a small amount of milk. First, I put the 6 grams of matcha in a glass. Now I'm going to add a small amount of hot water. The water should be just below boiling, around 75 degrees Celsius, so it doesn't burn the matcha. Next, we whisk. You want to whisk in a quick zigzag or M motion to really aerate the matcha and create that smooth, frothy finish. That froth right there, that's a sign that you've nailed it. The electric whisk is perfect for this. It helps incorporate air into the matcha, making it creamy and light. It's earthy smooth and not too bitter. This matcha has a really clean taste, and what I love about it is that it's packed with antioxidants, which helps to keep you calm, focused, and full of energy. There are no coffee jitters, just pure, steady energy. Now, if you're more of an iced matcha fan, like me, you can easily mix it with cold water or your favourite milk. Here I'm using dairy milk for a creamy iced matcha latte, but feel free to substitute for plant-based milk. It's perfect for those warmer days if you prefer a chilled drink. Whether hot or iced, matcha is such a versatile drink, and it's easy to make with this kit. Plus, it's not just a drink on its own, it's about the ritual. Preparing matcha is a mindful process. It slows you down, gets you centered, and sets a positive tone for your day. Let's talk about the benefits for a second. Matcha isn't just a trendy drink. It's been used for centuries for its health properties. It's loaded with antioxidants, particularly EGCG, which can help boost your metabolism, support heart health, and even enhance fat burning. And then there's L-theanine, which helps to promote the state of calm focus, making matcha the perfect drink to power through your workday or study session. I used to be all about coffee, but once I started drinking matcha, I noticed a huge difference. With coffee, I'd have a lot of energy up front, but then I'd crash. Matcha, on the other hand, gives me this steady, clear-headed energy that lasts for hours, plus no afternoon slump. And honestly, the DIRTEA Matcha Starter Kit makes it so easy to incorporate this into your daily routine. It's a great way to start your matcha journey or to upgrade your current setup. Everything from the tools to the matcha itself is high quality and thoughtfully designed. So if you're ready to ditch the coffee jitters and start feeling the calm energy of matcha, check out the link in the description below to grab your DIRTEA Matcha Starter Kit. You're gonna love it. And if you already have the kit, drop a comment and let me know what your favourite way to enjoy matcha is. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you got this far into the video, there's a good chance you're into health and fitness, so why not watch the video currently on screen, my review of reformed collagen coffee. Thanks again for watching. Stay healthy and stay curious.